Stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance, our entries and our exits, and all this other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So you can see that yesterday we closed nearly at 3%, and pre-market we're up 0.50%, nothing really crazy. Let's have a look at our volume. So we're at 64,000. So we are underneath that 150,000 threshold that we like to see for our volume. However, it is only 8 o'clock. We still have like another hour and a half before the market opens, or depending on your time zone and time frame. But first, we're going to go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into more in depth on where we're at currently. Okay. So this top line represents our major resistance line. It's our highest level of resistance tested. And we can zoom in. You can see we got rejected back here, back here, back here, and last one back here. And push this all the way down to our major support line. So our major support line is our lowest level of support tested, okay? And we look left, you can see that it was working as resistance before, and then started working as support on the opposite side. So you can see we bounced from this area, bounce from this area, this area, this area, and a little bit over here. Okay, so these are heavily tested areas, you guys. We have to respect these lines, and now we're going to get into on where we're at currently. So you can see after we bounced from this initial support line over here, we came up, tested this minor resistance area in the 695. We kind of consolidated, got rejected, pulled back up into this major or minor resistance area, and started rejecting again. Okay, so as of right now, we're showing relative weakness in this area. So every time we come up into this resistance area or this minor resistance area, we are getting rejected. Okay, so even though we are technically still kind of above and below this trend line, we're not really showing any good signs of creating a breakout. So, and that's what we want to see if we wanted to get in for the best entry. Okay, so as of right now, with us being pulling back and testing this area twice, more than likely we'll probably retest the 630 area, or even our lower level of support again, that being at the 595 area. So the best thing that we can do is be patient to see if we do pull back to either of these areas. Getting in right now, like I said, would not be the smartest decision with the clear downtrend that we're in, and because we tested this resistance twice and failed. So the relative strength is no longer there. It's showing that buyers are no longer stepping up. And so what we want to do is just to be patient to see if we can create this reversal, or where we decide to pull back down to. Okay, so the best thing that we can do is just be patient and wait for the best opportunity. As for today, I don't really have anything to go based off of besides the double top that we have at this minor resistance, and that we are in a slight downward trend, and that I could advise you not to get in as of yet. Okay, but other than that, you guys stay updated on my videos. I post Monday through Friday or every other day. I try to create this content as fast and as efficiently as possible. And if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.